Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and go offline on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, access your Instagram app on your mobile phone. Now let's get to our home screen. We will find this kind of interface right upon opening it. Afterwards, all you have to do is tap on this little profile icon below right corner, tap on three horizontal line on top, tap on settings and privacy. Now we have to scroll and go to this section of how others can interact with you. Now tap on messages and story replies. Now here in this below section you can see who can see you're off online. Now tap on show activity status. So if your toggle is turned off, if it is gray, that means you are offline. But by default, if in case the toggles are turned blue, that means you're online. So if you would like to go offline on Instagram, all you have to do is tap on the toggles and your status will shown as an offline and you're good to go. So that is a simple process to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.